Are you inclined to choose the iPhone 15 Pro, or would you prefer to save some money by selecting the standard iPhone 15 model? In this video, we are going to cover the differences between the iPhone 15 and 15 Pro and give us our opinion on which one you should go for. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Design and display. The iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pro have similar displays with high resolution and brightness, but the Pro model stands out with an always-on display and higher refresh rate. In terms of design, they both look alike, but the Pro version has a more durable titanium body, while the regular iPhone 15 is lighter. The iPhone 15 Pro introduces an action button for customization, while the iPhone 15 retains the classic mute switch. Both have rear camera systems, with the Pro model having more lenses. Overall, the iPhone 15 Pro offers exclusive features, making it the winner in this comparison. Before we jump into the next part, please like the video and consider subscribing to our channel. Performance. iPhone 15 uses the A16 Bionic chip, while iPhone 15 Pro has the A17 Pro chip, which is newer and more powerful. The A17 Pro has a 3nm manufacturing process, making it efficient and faster. Regarding memory and storage, the iPhone 15 has 6GB of RAM and up to 512GB of storage, while the iPhone 15 Pro boasts 8GB of RAM and up to 1TB of storage. Both support fast wired charging through USB-C, with the iPhone 15 Pro having USB 3.0 speeds, which is faster for data transfer. Camera. The iPhone 15 Pro wins the camera battle with its advanced 3-lens setup and LiDAR scanner. It offers superior photography capabilities, including optical image stabilization, zoom options, and additional features like night mode portraits and Apple Pro RAW. In contrast, the iPhone 15 has a dual camera system with fewer capabilities. Both phones share a 12MP front camera with Face ID functionality, providing a similar selfie experience. Final thoughts: which should you buy? The new iPhone models all offer impressive power and capabilities. However, the choice of which one suits you best depends on your intended usage and the features you find most valuable. Why you might choose the iPhone 15 Pro or Pro Max. 1. They boast the most potent and capable cameras for both photography and video. 2. These models feature a titanium build with exceptionally slim bezels. 3. They come equipped with USB-C ports offering 10 gigabits per second speeds and support for Wi-Fi 6E. 4. They are powered by the fastest chip and the most robust GPU for an exceptional mobile gaming experience. 5. You can enjoy an always-on display and Pro Motion refresh rates of up to 120Hz. 6. Storage options go up to a whopping 1TB. On the other hand, here's why you might opt for the iPhone 15 or 15 Plus Pro. 1. If the 6 features mentioned above don't particularly resonate with you, you can save money by choosing the iPhone 15. It still offers excellent new cameras, USB-C support, the dynamic island feature, an A16 chip, and more. 2. If USB-C isn't a crucial factor for you, you might also consider getting an iPhone 14 Pro or 14, especially if you currently own an iPhone 13 or an older model. In the end, the choice between these iPhones depends on your priorities and how you plan to use your device. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Peace.